What's going on, everybody? Bones here with Cajun RNEWBBQ. Hope you're doing fine. Y'all know I'm making it. So today we're gonna do up the breakfast Molly burger. Don't know what a Molly burger is? Go ahead and hit up my man Tommy at the Gallery and Backyard Barbecue. Very nice burger. Love it. Today also we're gonna go ahead and use this rub called Wanna Rub. It's a veteran-owned product. No MSG, gluten-free, got a nice little pop of heat, and a whole bunch of sweet. Been using it for a couple years now. Very nice. Stick around, we're going to get right to it. Ingredients for your breakfast Molly burger. Some bacon. Today I'm using the ends and pieces, but you can of course use the whole strips of bacon. 1 egg. Some Wanna Rub, some brown sugar, some ground beef, some breakfast sausage. You also need 1 hamburger bun and 4 slices of cheese. Now I'm going to do mine just a little bit different than Tommy. I'm going to add some seasoning to the brown sugar. Just a couple tablespoons. There we go, that's enough. It's NASCAR season past my house right now. Middle of the day, go figure. So I cut the sausage into 4s. Go ahead and shape it into a quick ball. And roll it in the brown sugar and seasoning. Do it for your ground beef. Doesn't break up as evenly as the ground sausage, but we'll go with it. We're going to go ahead and get the griddle all fired up, ready to go after I do this. Alright, we're going to go ahead and get started. Excuse the car passing in the background. I will do my best to try to edit those out. Let's go ahead and get this bacon on. Alright, the bacon's about halfway to where I want it, so I'm going to go ahead and move them all over to this one side here. And I am going to go ahead and hit it up with some of this Wanna Rub. It's got salt, pepper, garlic, onion powder, chili. Dried chilies in there. Cane sugar. Just going to go ahead and start throwing down some of these patties. The ground beef first. Now the breakfast sausage. Go ahead and start pressing out the patty. gonna go ahead and remove this bacon off now. Oh, this is smelling oh so good. We're gonna flip them all over now. Now that we're getting close to being done, we're going to go ahead and put 2 slices of cheese on one of the patties of sausage and 1 patty of ground beef. We're going to shut the lid and let that go for about 30 seconds. Let's go ahead and check them out now. Oh yeah. Nice cheesy, crusty gooiness on them burgers. Oh yeah, this is going to be really good. Now we're going to go ahead and cook that egg. Alright, now let's go ahead and grill up that egg. There we go. And we're done. If I can get this egg up. There we go. Go ahead and put that on top of the burgers. So if you hear a goose hollering right now, that's Yule and Noel. They're currently mad at the wind. They're geese. They have brains of toddlers. I don't know. Let's get on with it, shall we? I'm not great at making smash burgers. I haven't mastered the art of making them small yet. I'm a big guy. I like big food. Sue me. I try. This is a big burger. Let's go in for a bite. Between the ground meat, the breakfast sausage, the eggs, the bacon, the wanna rub, the brown sugar, all that just melding together so beautifully. Oh yeah. This is a tasty burger. If you like what I'm doing, you know what to do. Thank you and have a good day.